Hello everyone, welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. My name is Amber and in today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you a really awesome Christmas song called Feliz Navidad. This is a great song and it's super festive, so grab your guitar and let's get into the lesson today. So for the basics of the song today, you're going to need to make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and you are not going to be needing a capo. So we're going to jump right into learning the strumming pattern. Now the pattern that I feel goes best with the song is a syncopated strumming pattern, which means you're going to be needing down and up strums. And it's going to sound something like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And we can count it 1, 2, and 4, and. And if I play it in a loop, it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So take a minute now to just practice with muted strings and get that strumming pattern feeling really comfortable with your strumming hand. Right, so moving on into the chords that we're going to need for the song. We are going to be starting with the intro, and the chords that we're going to be needing here are a D major. We then need a G major chord, and I'm going to be playing a 4-fingered G major for this song because it's such a nice, easy transition. We can keep our ring finger down and we can move our first and second finger into our G shape, and we can add our pinky on the high E string in the 3rd fret. And this is our full 4-finger G. We're also going to need an A major chord. And then we're going to be going back to a D chord. Now we're going to be playing each of those chords for 1 round of the strumming pattern. Now if you notice up on the screen, there is a little star next to that final D, and that's because we're going to be just doing 1 down strum on that D chord. So the intro is going to sound like this. Repeat the D to G and to A and 1 strum on the D. Now what we can do to create even more drama is we can add a strum and a quick mute on that final D. So we strum and we mute straight after. So you can practice that. It really adds something extra to the song because straight after we do that palm mute on that D, we're going to be giving the singer time to come in with the opening line of the first verse. Next up, we're going to be moving on to learning the chords in the verse. So the verse chords are a G. We're going to go to an A, and we have a D. So the verse chords are up on the screen and it's going to sound a little something like this. Repeat the D again, back to G. And we're going to go to D and 1 strum with that mute. Now, if you are enjoying this lesson so far, then please could you subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps me out in being able to create videos just like this one for you every single week. Right, let's jump back into the lesson. Now, the final section of the song that we're going to learn today is the chorus, and it is very similar to the verse, but with one exception. We're going to be introducing the B minor chord. Now, I know many of you are going, no, I hate playing B minor, bar chords, they're so awful. So I have a solution. I have an easier option for you. So if you want, you can play your full bar chord for your B minor, but the other alternative is to take the bar away and just place your first finger into the 2nd fret on that high E string, and we maintain the other fingers on the specific strings in their frets, and we strum from the D string down. This is a 4-fingered open chord for B minor, and if this is even too difficult for you, what you can do is we can take our pinky off and put our 3rd finger in its place, and we can play, it's almost like a C shape, but we're stretching it over the E, B, and G strings in the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th frets. And this is going to be strummed from the G string down. So this 3-finger version of B minor has a much thinner sound to it because you can only strum 3 strings when you compare it to maybe a full bar chord. But as you're starting out, playing these simplified chord versions is a really great idea and an awesome confidence booster to keep you going and to keep you learning until you can finally start playing those fuller chord versions. So the chords that we're going to be needing in the chorus are a G, an A, a D, and whichever version of the B minor you would like to be using. For this song, I'm going to use the 4-fingered version. So in total, the chorus is going to sound like this, starting on the G major, a 1, 2, 3, 4, to A, to D, to B minor, back to G, and to A, and to D, and stop. So now that you know all the different parts of the song, join me in the next section of this lesson where I'll be doing a playthrough of Feliz Navidad. So go grab your Christmas spirit and your guitar, and I'll see you in the next section. Let's take it from the top, starting on that D major. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Woo! Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. If you enjoyed the tutorial today, then I'm sure you're going to love the lesson that is being suggested to you right now on the screen. I want to wish you and your family a wonderful festive season and a Merry, Merry Christmas. I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day. Bye.